Want clients to find you effortlessly? In this video, I'll show you exactly where and how to place keywords throughout your Upwork profile to rank higher in search. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Strategic keyword placement is the engine of your profile's discoverability. Let's integrate them seamlessly into every section. Your title and overview are the most important. Use your main keyword in the title, then repeat it naturally 2 to 3 times in the overview, alongside secondary keywords. Your skills list is a pure keyword field. Each skill is a tag the search algorithm uses. Be specific. Instead of marketing, use Facebook ads management or email marketing funnels. Your portfolio item titles and descriptions are often overlooked. Describe each project using the keywords a client would use to find that type of work. Even your employment history entries should be optimized. Use standard job titles and describe your accomplishments with relevant industry terms. A crucial pro tip: don't keyword stuff. Write for humans first, algorithms second. The goal is to sound natural and persuasive while being found. Overstuffing makes your profile look spammy and will turn clients off. And just like that, you've strategically woven keywords into the fabric of your profile. Using keywords correctly makes you highly visible to your ideal clients. What's one secondary keyword you've added to your profile recently? Share it below. To target different services, subscribe for our next video on how to add a specialized profile on Upwork. Thanks for watching.